Even if you realize it or not, you might be overthinking a lot of things in your life. A lot of us do that. In fact, as human beings, we are designed to analyze things, but deluding ourselves, we perceive that we are making the best use of our ability to analyze, and we think too much to the point that it harms our well being. I think all of us can sometimes relate to that feeling of not being able to stop overthinking, overanalyzing, or just over rationalizing things. I mean, there are a lot of times in my daily life when overthinking leads to the point of paralysis, if you will. The point when I'm just trapped in those thoughts, not being able to focus, not being able to get work done, and not being able to feel good about myself. For instance, on some days when I overthink too much as to what I need to get done on that particular day or how I should be spending my time on that day, I usually end up doing nothing because I'm just overwhelmed and over analyzing the tasks I need to get done, and I'll be just kind of switching between tasks, not sticking to any one task. And although this is not a serious case of overthinking and I don't really consider myself a big time overthinker, it can really get serious for some people. Overthinking can really stifle the momentum of one in one's various pursuits or can affect one's well-being. I'm happy to say that in the past few months, I've kind of embraced the just do it mentality, but it always wasn't the case before. As I said before, I'm not someone who overthinks a lot of things, but in some cases, I'm someone who thinks things through. If I were to start doing something to the point that I actually end up not starting or end up doubting my abilities. For example, it was I think a year ago that I wanted to have a side hustle of some kind which paid me. But as you might have guessed, I started overthinking and I never got started. And that's just one of the few cases. One thing I can say is that I don't really overthink big things in my life, like what I want to be doing with my life, because those decisions do not require immediate action as such. But the little things I talked about earlier made me think if this was the case with everyone or was it just me. I realized that something needs to be done about it. But eventually I just brushed this thought off and this trait of my character didn't cease to exist. But if I were to talk about how I kind of got over it, I would say that things just aligned in a way to help. Let me explain. So from the past year or so, I've always tried to center myself around things which have helped me grow. May it be my parents' advice or just the kind of videos I watched on YouTube. And that has really helped me become aware of these tiny habits of overthinking. And in the back of my head, I knew that I need to do away with this subtle character flaw of overanalyzing and overthinking before starting something new or just overanalyzing my own abilities or character. But I can say for sure that I started working seriously towards lessening the effect of overthinking back when I started this YouTube channel. This has been a blessing because this is an opportunity for me to muster up the courage to upload videos based on my instinct, not letting overthinking and self-doubt take over. And that's the thing about overthinking. It can trap you if you set foot in it. It's like quicksand. But it is important to know that you need to be fast enough to act and to break those walls of overthinking before they creep up on you. Now let me draw you back to the fact that we have evolved into rational beings. Nothing feels right to us if we've not thought about something so much so that we break our heads over it. And I think this might have worked in the ancient era, but nowadays it is totally different. We all have the freedom of creativity and action. If you'll ask someone who've overcome overthinking, they'll tell you that not being in control of your mental chatter is truly liberating. As I started practicing acting and not thinking too much, this has shown itself in various areas of my life. I'm generally much more aware if I'm overthinking. I still tend to fall prey to this sometimes, but I can say that my overthinking is under much more control than before. So in conclusion, I think the best way to stop overthinking, overanalyzing and over rationalizing is to become aware of it and to start practicing being action biased and not thinking too much. If you put a little bit of conscious effort into this practice, this will become a habit. And once you start putting in the efforts, things are eventually bound to align themselves to help you. The thing is, in a lot of cases, things will not go out of control even if you take that leap of faith and stop thinking and start doing. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, don't forget to like this video. That's all for today. I'll see you next week. Until then, take care.